Alright guys, so I'm going to a shop to see a guy that most people will already know. We're gonna be talking about, guess what? We're gonna be talking about the C. First, coffee. Because we need to have energy to talk about the future of the C10 build. Damn! Coffee right there. Coffee just got done. Look, bro, I would love to build one of these right here in blue. One of my dream trucks right here, but it's gonna be bad.
Firewalls. You should see the ones that I've done. Dude, look. Like
You're all about this lifestyle, huh?
Yeah.
Okay guys, so I'm here with LS guy right here. He goes by LS everything, so we're right here discussing what we're gonna be doing to the C10. Honestly, I'm not gonna tell you everything at this moment, but for sure, we're not talking about take freaking 3-4 months. But first we're gonna be doing, he's gonna teach me the ways of the force, which means LS everything. Meaning he's gonna teach me personally.
Personally, yeah.
Personally.
Basically, you're gonna do your own fuel lines. I'm gonna teach you how to do your fuel lines, how to set the motor in, how to wire the harness, how to hook up gauges, the correct fuel tank, the correct sending unit, and then we're gonna hide every single wire. No coils, everything's gonna be hidden. I'll get my boy, oh man, I love my guy with the harness. Shout out to my harness guy, he's a monster. He custom makes the harnesses the way I want. So we're gonna hide the coils, basically hide everything, battery, everything.
I've been wanting to find a guru guy. This is the guru guy, and I've been wanting to learn. Like, I do know a couple of things, but I don't know everything. That's why I didn't want to finish my motor swap. I know the videos have been a little boring. It's just because my truck was at the shop. I couldn't really move around. I try to give you guys as much better content. I know it was kind of random, but I was trying to work with what I got. This video is not going to continue because this video has to be posted, I don't know, Monday, Thursday. I don't know when this video is coming out, but I know it's gonna be a short, so we're gonna add it to. If you guys love trucks and don't want to watch any bikes, you can just click off now, because right now after this I'm gonna go with my friend Michelle and a couple of guys, and we're gonna go to Galveston. We're gonna do a bonfire, and I'm gonna be riding my dirt bike. For the meantime, we're gonna go over there to Galveston and we're gonna ride the dirt bike, do a bonfire. But yeah, if you guys don't want to watch that, you can click off now. I understand no more people don't like watching bikes, so like and subscribe, turn the bell notification on, become part of the legacy, and we'll see you on the next video. Ridiculous, I gotta wear a mask. Gotta fill up the bike. Hey Johnny, put.
That's from number one.
Put. Oh, my bad. I thought it was somebody else. You kind of look alike.
$15.99, dog.
Did you order the lighter fluid? The lighter? I gotta be dehydrated. I've noticed that when you're really hydrated, you have more energy in you than coffee. So we're gonna try water. Orale!
Yes.
Orale. Gotta be dehydrated, vato.
I know I got my water in the car and some Sprite. Nope.
Alright guys, well, bad news. Started sprinkling. Oh man, they said it was like a 40% chance it's gonna rain with thunder. Hopefully everything turns out good so we can ride.
They took that lane and we were here first.
I think we'll still like move.
They're moving the cones for our lane, just so you know.
Yeah?
Yeah. Bye guys! See you when we're there. Get your truck and turn it on or whatever.
We're not leaving yet.
Yes, we are. Look at the lane, I'm telling you.
I was just putting there just in case. Alright, we're living. Look at that. Hopefully it stops raining. There you go. Truck's working perfect right now. I just can't step on it still because it still has the turbo tune on it. Hi. Hello. We're gonna get on that ferry right there. Thumbs up, gotta stop right here. We have arrived on the ferry. Welcome aboard, guys. What's up? Where are you in the truck? Chilling, yeah, I went down there. guys can hear me, I'm doing a news report, and it's a slight chance of badass riding dirt bikes.
It's a 30% chance that it's already raining.
Bro, just cruise real quick.
Where can we make the bonfire at?
Anywhere.
You sure?
But it has to be on that side. The mosquitoes are biting the shit out of me.
You don't need a big surf like that.
So you guys brought some kitchen utensils.
No, they're for planting. They
Planting.
do the trick.
We'll be done
Oh,
in
yeah.
like the next 2 hours. But
I can't wait to start riding the bikes.
Actually, we don't even have to dig this hole because it's sand.
Trust me, it's better to have it on there. Basically, it's a safety hazard too.
What's
And
gonna catch on fire, Omar? The sand.
my truck! Alright guys, we did something. What's that?
we'll start this big one first.
Alright, here.
Oh, I thought this one was supposed to like help it start.
Where's the lighter fluid?
Yeah.
We'll try your little thing, and then if it doesn't, if it
I don't know.
backfires,
It said it's supposed to start. I've never done this before.
if it backfires,
Why?
we're gonna use this. Or you're doing a TP and you putting it in the middle. Knock them in the middle. Yeah. Good. This is plan B. Man, these bugs are pissing me off. Okay. All right. It's actually on.
Oh, my TV.
Oh damn. Okay.
E?
Why do we have to buy the lighter fluid again?
I don't know. You're the one.
Oh yeah,
that-
just in case.
Oh my god.
Damn.
The show's first bonfire.
Yeah, help me. I just gotta spin it around. Just spin it around a little bit, like lift it up a little bit and get the other side. There's probably spiders in the tent, but I'm not gonna tell Michelle that. Guys, so we're finally out here. We're about to drop. I'm gonna take off the dirt bike and start riding in a bit. How can you? The tent, the Jeep, little single cab, dirt bike, campfire, a couple of snacks. This is living life to the fullest. You know, you always gotta do those things. You wanna go out camping, hiking, skydiving. You gotta live life, and truck game is always gonna be there, but understand there's always so much more to the world, you know what I mean? I'm probably gonna get inside the water because I brought some swimming shorts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, on this channel, I do like to put my life, and like I feel like my vlog is more of actual vlog, like truck life, living life type of vlog, like whatever it's called. But hope you guys like the video.
Or whatever y'all do. My mom will be mad.
There we go, boy. I wonder what the speed limit is out here. Be on like a natural. Look, man, audience finally sees me. I'm gonna get a little chunk. They have a 6-pack. Hard to
Do
believe.
this more.
So Austin, because I want to jump the cliff over there.
The place where I went camping one time was real nice.
We settled for one last kiss. Honey, I saw it coming, but back on.
I just want a quick shot.
To the light.
bro. It feels more free. Alright guys, is it recording?
Yeah.
So, welcome to Jackass.
I feel like this is Cops and I'm chasing the guy and he's running to the beach. Do it! Nope! You gotta do it now.
I felt something on my foot. I felt something on my foot.
On your foot?
It's all sandy. Freaking Baywatch up in this.
Can't even keep your other eye open.
Right now it's like 79 degrees outside. The riding is good. Every time I come out here and go, it's either a little chilly or really hot or really cold. But today is like balanced. Riding, it felt good. Water literally is like not too cold, not too hot, but it's like Goldilocks. Everything today is Goldilocks. It was good. What do you mean? What do you mean, Johnny? What are you doing? What are you doing? What is that? What are you doing? Nasty. Today has been a good day. Riding the dirt bike, got my truck with me. You work hard for what you want, you can get it. You just gotta get up. You gotta at least try. Got the Jeep, got the tent, got the best friend, got the other best friend.